All right, simple ladies and gentlemen, we got turmeric tea coming up here for $300. We got all the $200. Holy cow, $300 turmeric tea. All right. You guys, I am a superfood mad scientist. I've been experimenting with superfoods for the past 11 years. I've tried every single superfood in my turmeric latte. I've done a whole multitude of videos with turmeric in the past. Turmeric toothpaste, turmeric soup, turmeric this, turmeric that. We have used turmeric over and over again. So why would anybody drink a $300 turmeric latte? Because this stuff right here is so powerful. It absolutely changed my life when 4 years ago, my mom reached out to me and she sent me a photo of her hands. She started getting arthritis in her hands. She would wake up, she would be in pain in the morning. So I became obsessed with ginger and turmeric to really uncover and to understand how these plants that Mother Nature has given to us, these little miracle things, can actually provide so much value in our life. So I believe that when you combine ginger and turmeric with these things that I've showed you today, it can be a revolutionary wake up for your body, for your cells, for your biochemistry. And I'm committed to bringing ingredients and recipes like this that you can do from the comfort of your own home. You could add so much good stuff to it, you guys. Sky's the limit. I mean, you could go absolutely insane with these tinctures like I have and spend hundreds of dollars making a turmeric latte. Now the good news is you don't have to. I've done the work. I found the easiest road to the end of the journey is always what's gonna be best for most people. So 4 ingredients is all it takes, and you can have a delicious, warm, creamy nighttime treat before you drift off to bed. So let me tell you what the 4 ingredients are. Simple and easy to make, and you can have it in less than 3 minutes. And you're still gonna get the anti-aging benefits with the anti-inflammation with those 4 ingredients that I'm gonna share with you right now. All right, so real simple and easy. It is so easy, it's gonna blow your mind. We have turmeric, number 1. You could use curcumin if you want to as well, which is actually the fat part of the turmeric plant, and it's really potent in your body at getting rid of inflammation in your body as well. Ginger, when mixed with turmeric, creates almost like a triple threat. These 2 things together have been used in ancient Ayurveda for over 5,000 years. So when you chop up the ginger and you add a little curcumin to it, it changes the game. You're gonna wake up feeling so relaxed, so rested, you're gonna sleep better. I absolutely love taking a turmeric latte before bed. And then cinnamon as well. Cinnamon helps stabilize blood sugar levels in your body. And it really helps sweeten up a variety of different dishes. In this, I like it. Cinnamon's absolutely amazing. Did you know even smelling cinnamon increases your cognitive function by 14%? Pretty crazy, right? And then our last all-star ingredient is just full-fat coconut milk right here. I like the fat because it helps me assimilate some of the curcuminoids and the ginger that's actually in these amazing ingredients. So what we're gonna do is throw all of this in a pan, the coconut milk, the ginger, the cinnamon, and the turmeric, and we're gonna let it get to a steeping boil, and then we pull it off and we strain it, and we have our turmeric latte. Some people like to add a little bit of monk fruit or a little bit of stevia to sweeten it up a little bit. I'm a little old-fashioned. I like it just as so with the 4 ingredients. It tastes great. I feel good when I drink it. My body thanks me. I've tracked this on my Whoop, I tracked it on my Oura Ring, and I've actually realized that my blood pressure at night goes down when I drink this. So I'm guessing it's because of the inflammation, the benefits that are a part of this thing. It's incredible for you. And you can find it in a farm, your pharmacy, or a grocery store, pretty much anywhere. Oh, here we go. Oh my God. That is unreal. You are gonna love this. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, click the little bell icon to get notified, and leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought of it, okay? Anyway, remember, we're in this together. We'll see you soon.